Where you at? Oh, okay. I mean, where's your car? Yeah, where's your car at? Yeah, over here, yeah. Where's your car at?
You good? Very nice car. So if you want to check out the video, and the barcode later. Might take a week or so before I post something. Got a lot of the local shows.
Yeah, I've seen you on YouTube.
Yeah, if you just scan that barcode, that QR code, it brings you right to the website. So.
Thank you. Your other choice is to put on